my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam, and I would love to have you guys subscribe and join the family. So today I thought I would just film another clothing haul because I can't be stopped. Someone seriously needs to take away my credit card away from me because I keep shopping so much. But I'm really excited about this haul just because I've accumulated so many cute things that I'm excited to share with you guys. So if you guys like these hauls, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. So yeah, let's just get started. So I guess the first place I'll start off with, which is like my favorite, is Lululemon. So I recently did go to a Lululemon. If you guys didn't see my little day in my life vlog, I'll have that linked up there. But I am really excited because I was looking for these, like, what are they, like bike shorts, and they were all sold out online, and then when I went in the store they had my size. So these are the Wonder Under 6-inch little biker shorts. I was trying to look for the Aritzia ones, but they were all sold out as well. I've never tried Wonder Unders, and these are really nice. I got these ones in a size 6 and they fit me great. They are obviously a lot more compressive than the the Aligns, but that's totally fine. I wear these when I work out. I wear these with like oversized t-shirts. So this is kind of what they look like, and obviously they just have like this basic little logo. So yeah, I already wore these ones. And then I also got these Wonder Under leggings. These are the Wonder Under HR Tight 25-inch because I do fit like the length of a 25-inch. Just because I do have shorter legs for my height. I am 5'5", and this is such a cute little pair of leggings. I'm so excited, but I am a little nervous because I usually stain every white piece of clothing that I own because I'm a slob when it comes to eating. But I'm really excited because, I don't know, I just feel like getting new Lululemons is so fun. And yeah, and these ones I did get in a size 8. Funny story, my sister actually bought these for herself, and then they fit her, but like the ankles were a little too big. I guess she just has really skinny ankles and I have cankles, and they fit me, so I just bought them off of her. And yeah, they're just like a camo print and they're white, so I'm really excited about these. I'm gonna wear these today to the gym. And then that's pretty much all I got from Lululemon. I mean, they are pricier, so yeah. And then from Forever 21, of course, I bought these little black bike shorts. These ones are more of like a cottony material. These are great if you just want biker shorts for like the style and you're just kind of wanting to lounge around in them. These were like $3.50. I got them in a medium, and they're just black, you know, they're basic. I wouldn't wear these to work out in, but for just like lounging and day-to-day wear, it's perfectly fine. And I also did get these little pajama shorts. They're just gray and white stripes. I needed new pajama shorts, and Forever 21 always has really cheap ones. This is again in a size medium. Yeah, medium, and they're really cute. And then the next thing I got was just like a really casual top. I love this top though. I didn't think I would like the cut of it, but it's actually so flattering on like my shoulders and my arms because I'm kind of insecure about that. But it's just like this white boxy t-shirt. It's really cute, and it has a little, a little v-neck like slit. But I just love how oversized and boxy it looks. It looks so cute. I posted an Instagram picture in this, so if you want to see what it looks like, then follow my Instagram. And I got this in my normal size, a medium. It was like $12 or $10 actually, and it's so cute. I want to buy this in a lot more colors. And then the last thing I bought from Forever 21, I don't know how I feel about this. I love the front, but the back I'm not a huge fan of. It's just like this little, like this skirt. So like the front looks like a skirt, but the back is like shorts, and I feel like it kind of looks awkward, but it looks so cute from the front. It's just like a khaki color. It's a little wrinkly, so I'm sorry, but it's so cute. It has a little like flap right here. I got this in a medium, and this one was $14.99, so it is super affordable. So maybe I'll keep it. I don't know, I feel like I needed some sort of like bottoms that were a little more dressy. I don't know, but I'm really excited about these. I think they're cute. Maybe I'll figure out a way to style them. And then another thing I got from Forever was just like this little, there's dog hair on it, so I'm sorry, it's just this black boxy crop top as well. I love to wear these like to work out in, or just like on a normal basis. I don't know, I think like boxy crop tops are really flattering on, so I'm super excited about this. I got this one in a size medium as well, and it fits me perfectly oversized, so I'm really happy about that. So I think that's all of the things from Forever 21. Yeah, my hair looks so crazy. I also got, I forgot to show you guys, normally I show like what I'm wearing first, this like really loose and baggy t-shirt from American Eagle. I'm really excited about it because it's so hard for me to find a cute oversized t-shirt that looks flattering on like my shoulders, and I think this one is so nice. It was on sale for $20. I got it in a size small and it fits perfectly. I think I would honestly stick with a size small just because it is oversized, but it's not too oversized to the point where it's like swallowing me. But yeah, it's just like this white color and it's super comfy. Right now American Eagle is having a sale for like up to 60% off or something crazy like that, so if you guys really do want to shop at American Eagle, definitely check it out now because they are having that sale. So the next thing I bought was off of Depop, I think. Yeah, I've been obsessed with Depop too. It's just so cheap, and it's just like this Brandy Melville oversized tee. It's the one with the little car. Don't know what it says. Electric motor. I think it's so cute. I think Brandy makes the best oversized tees as well, like graphic tees. Again, this is just a one size sort of thing, so yeah, super cute, especially with like bike shorts. I've been wearing a lot of like oversized tees with bike shorts, and yeah, it's just kind of what it looks like. And then the next thing is kind of random. I got this at Marshall's, I believe, because I was looking for some cute room decor, which if you guys can tell I did add a little something in my background, but I was looking for room decor and I ended up leaving the store with this. It's just like a really cute t-shirt. It's full length and it's like this, like, I don't even know, it's like a steel blue grayish color. Super cute and so soft. Like, this material is amazing. It was $6 and I got this in a size medium, so I'm really excited. And then the next two things are from like Nike, and like I got them at Dick's Sporting Goods, so yeah. The first one I already did wear already. I just got a pair of Nike Pros. They just look like this, just because I wanted to wear shorts more often to the gym just because I get so hot. And I got this one in a size medium. They fit perfect on me, and I got these in the 3-inch. I feel like the band used to not be this thick, but maybe that's just me. I don't know. And then I also got another pair of bike shorts. I know I'm crazy, but I wanted to find the perfect pair of bike shorts, but I think I will return these just because the Lululemon ones are way better, and these ones were $40. I got them in a size medium and they are a little loose on my waist. I didn't really love that, but they just kind of look like this. They have the little Nike swoosh on the side, which I'm also not like a big fan of. I like that the Lululemon ones have them on the back and it's a little more discreet. So yeah, these ones are $40 and the Lululemon ones are $58, so they are a little more pricey, but I think for the quality and the fit, it's so much better. So yeah, I might return these. I'm not sure yet. I need to think about this one because you can never have too many plain black bike shorts. But yeah, that was the end of today's haul. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video. I had a ton of fun filming it for you guys, and thank you guys so much for 250 subscribers. I am so grateful, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I always say that. And give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!